And you make up a real plan. Hey, I know that on the 5-minute bonds, I can get 2 gap bounces per day. 2 gap bounces per day, averaging 5 ticks. Well, 5 ticks with one contract is 156 per time. That means if I can take it twice, I'm going to make about $312 a day. If I do that with one contract. If I do it with 2 contracts, it's going to be about $625 per day. And $625 per day will replace my $100,000 per year salary by $200. And then you do it. And you do it for 2 months and see if you can do it. The moment you take that trade 160 times in a month or 320 times in 2 months, how good do you think you're going to be at that particular activity? You're going to be magnificent at it. You're going to focus on it. That's how you get deep.